ba?
kung
Or
sino yung mag-choke.
Pag HP cut kay Grim ka magbababa. Kasi
Okay.
mamamatay yun doon sa loob.
sige.
Hindi siya mamamatay pag di lang mag-hit kasi may reflect talaga yun. Huwag lang kayo mag-hit pag HP cut. Okay, don't hit when it's HP cut. You know the HP cut when he go pull Arthur, you know? Ewan ko yun. Putang ina. Basta yun. Grim, if his health is near 50%, don't hit boss, okay? Dito
Okay,
ka,
okay.
wala akong ma-repair dyan, T7 lang yan. Yan T8. Okay. Okay, position na.
Okay, position.
Now, 50%
Oh, we got this.
HP cut, don't hit and let Grim do his thing. And Grim don't be near in the boss, okay? So you won't be dark. Tawag nito, knockback.
You won't die.
Okay.
Okay, position na, please.
Save your
Position
skill. Okay.
Grim is the one with the sword. Para makita mo agad ang isa.
Okay.
Mark na Natsu para makita niya kung saan siya
Ojisan,
pupunta.
wag mo lang gamitin yung mo, please, yung emo, wag mo lang gamitin. Kahit wag mo na gamitin before second phase, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Call nyo na lang,
Yung
tol.
rantro mo,
Kung
wag mo. Okay, hindi ko
call
kasi
nyo na lang.
makita kasi
Sorry.
Oo.
Call
Punta
nyo
ka
na
lang sa
lang
akin,
kung
Grim,
kanino
pag
ko
sinabi ko.
gagamitin.
Oo.
Sige.
Ano ba?
Punta ka lang.
Sige, dito ka na. Okay, start ka na ba? Ito ba? Stuck.
Stuck ka Natsu dito sa amin. Sa amin.
Okay, dropping in 3, 2, 1. Drop your ace.
Drop E, poison.
Dodge.
Got 7.
Dodge niya.
Close by. Got 7.
Sa akin na ako.
Madami.
Look in your stocks, guys. Okay, dropping E in 3, 2, 1.
Mana.
Grease.
Drop robe dito. Natsu.
Hindi, okay
Robe.
lang. Huwag pa pala. Na
Robe sa amin, pa-drop. Ay, balik ka na.
Utang ina mo. Hindi ka si Brong.
Who has Druid? There. Thanks.
Dodge.
Okay, dodge.
Natsu. Naku,
Incoming
Okay,
sword.
huwag kayo dyan. Tama kayo dyan.
Naku. Doon
Ay,
kayo
but it's
sa
fine,
opposite.
it's fine.
Naku,
Okay.
huwag na pahil.
Hindi, okay lang. Kalma.
Dropping E in 3.
File si Natsu, file. Tutumba na.
Patumba na.
The stock.
Hindi, okay lang.
Ojisan, the stock.
Iinis si Pin.
Okay.
Incoming sword.
Drop
Okay,
E
so
na
get
ba?
out there.
Ang lapit niyo na lahat
If you guys are too crowded,
Okay,
you can
lalapit
join
masyado.
mine.
Dodge, boys.
Oy, lumipat.
Mali.
Yeah.
Mali yung turn ko.
Guardian helmet.
3, 2, 1. Guardian helmet nyo.
3, 2,
Stock. Ojisan.
1.
Guardian helmet. Sino meron?
Nagamit ko na.
Look your
Cooldown na akin.
stocks. Look stocks. Ojisan, si Natsu, sumasakit na, boy.
Na-guardian helmet ko na, pre. Tanggal na yung stock niya.
Okay. Ako pala
Poison.
yung...
Dodge it.
Tayo mo, Dis. Ang hirap mong i-beam.
Kaya nga, need mo talaga lumikit eh.
Nice. I got
Okay,
you.
dropping
Nice.
in 3, 2, 1. Drop your E, boys.
Okay, malapit na Grim, ha?
Yeah. Saving my skills now.
Dodge. No, huwag ka pa kamatay, please.
Yeah. I won't die. Up, incoming swords.
Dodge the sword.
Okay, Grim, come here. Grim,
Pinalayo ka na, game.
layo ka na. Kita.
Guys having trouble out there.
File nga siya, file. Okay.
Okay, there.
Okay,
Diyan ka lang.
Diyan ka lang. 3, 2, 1. Boys. Drop your E's.
Ako, dodge.
Incoming sword.
Just wait, Grim.
Ay, na-heal ko. Napindot eh.
Dodge, Natsu.
Up. Incoming.
Okay, yan na. Malapit na.
Ito na. Malapit na to, boy. Ito na ata. 180. Dodge. Okay, dropping in 3, 2, 1.
Lapit na, yan na. Cream.
Ah,
Okay,
Green.
Cream. Ikot. Ikot ka.
Ikot.
Yan.
Nice one. Ay, hindi.
Ah,
Hindi
ay, gago.
reset. Hindi, kasi
Huh?
maaga siya. Need 80% dyan sa casting. Putang nila, natulak kasi ako. Hindi ko nakita. Sige, continue.
Okay, continue.
Jisan, I need you, sa gitna na. Sa gitna na kayo, Natsu.
Okay.
Gitna dito.
makita ni yung, choking. Okay.
Dodge.
O, Jisan.
The fuck?
Wall mo
Sure.
pre,
Gitna kayo, boy.
kung
Like, gitna
enigmatic.
talaga, boy. Gitna kayo, Natsu. Gitna. Please, para ma-beam din ni doon. Dodge.
Patay. Warak yun ah. Kapal ng mukha na ito. Uy, cleanse daw kay bro.
Grim, pahil si Grim.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, dropping in 3, 2, 1. Use your ease, boys. Okay, ito na, choke. Use your, Jisan, your emo.
Ojisan, choke.
Yeah,
Ojisan, choke.
Nice one.
Dikit lang.
Ah,
Dikit lang.
Ganyan.
Nice
Ah,
one.
ganda na lang, Jisan, sabihin ko, yung party 1 and party 2. Kung,
Okay.
kung party 2, doon ka kay Nabi. Party 1 dito, Labrong, okay?
Okay.
Okay, need lang sila magdikit. Kahit saan ka
Oo.
tumama, basta dikit lang sila. Okay, dropping in 3, 2, 1.
Dodge.
Ano?
Use your ease.
I need helmet. Ay, hindi pala, joke lang.
Drop your
No, thank you.
poison. Use
Hindi
your
pa-
poison. But,
Idis pala yung may kailangan.
naku, Grim.
Please.
Dodge.
You know, right?
Grim.
Dodge.
Maraming sword na yan ah. Shit.
Miss me, bye.
Nako, okay.
Joking.
Hi.
41 kay Grim.
Revive.
I'm just fine,
Wait
revive
lang
na
ba?
lang.
Already revive him.
Dodge. Bang.
Huh? I just revived! Fucking shit!
We need one more.
Don't hit.
Don't hit. You can stay here, but don't hit.
No, wag lang. Don't run, Sophie. Just don't hit. It's
Dodge.
good. Just
Ano ba gamit ni
stick to your
Sophie?
places. Just don't hit. Putang ina, napasa sa inyo.
Sophie?
Sophie, ito, yung nakabow.
Oh.
Okay, dropping in.
Dodge.
2, 1. Boys.
This, yung ano mo, yung stock mo ah.
Oo. 5 lang to.
Baka man-choke yan. Yan na, Dodge.
Stop incoming.
Don't hit.
Yung continuous damage, pag umiwas kayo. Continuous damage. Kasi yung stack niya.
DC ako, pre. Ojisan died.
Joking.
Joking. Party 2.
Na-DC.
Ay, oo nga pala. Wala nga pala.
I use my reawaken on that.
Dito kaya.
Okay, dropping in.
Bawal
3, 2, 1.
Can someone,
Poison ka?
5 seconds on my reawake, so
Stop
Ito lang,
incoming
poison
sword.
mo to lang. Meron.
I'm up. Dito na.
Don't
Don't
hit.
Don't hit.
No, you can.
Uy, lumipat. Fail nga kami. Bigyan
It's healing.
Yeah, that's why,
Okay,
Grim, you
cool
need
down.
to use your skills.
Wait,
Grim.
ba't
Use
tumidikit tayo?
your skills, Grim. And
So,
keep
just-
Oh,
on-
choking.
Pwede ba na-revive
No,
yung Ojisan? Pwede na-revive.
Ojisan is still down.
Revive nyo. Revive nga, Queen.
Dropping in, boys.
Ojisan.
Oh, don't. Oh,
Grim,
shit.
Grim,
Nice,
keep your
Frosty.
stocks, Grim.
Nice,
Can you
nice.
keep your stocks, Grim?
Okay.
Don't hit.
Don't
nice.
use the third
You got
Q.
this.
Don't use the third Q. Just keep your stocks on the boss so it can't heal fast.
Dodge.
Drop poison kung meron. Drop lang kaya.
Okay, dropping in.
Incoming swords.
1. Boys.
Drop E.
Wala,
fuck.
napawala.
Okay.
Choking sa akin.
Party two,
Choking.
party
We
two.
don't have.
Nice
any.
Oh,
I got you.
to.
OG. Okay.
Thank you.
It's alive now.
You're the best.
Oh, fuck.
Incoming sword.
Come here. Hold on.
Dodge the sword.
Talaga pala ah.
Oh,
shit.
Okay, don't hit.
Don't
Oh,
hit.
don't hit. Mana.
Hit yourselves.
10 seconds sa enigmatic.
Dropping
Hindi
in.
pa
3, 2, 1.
Takot ako eh. Bakla ako eh.
Wait, we got
Boy,
7
pag-
stocks. We got 7 stocks, bro. The fuck? I didn't notice my stocks.
Incoming sword.
Poison ulit, poison.
It's nearly
That's
there.
unreal.
There. Time for
Poison
me
nga, poison
again.
nga, poison. Nice.
Half HP, half HP. Dodge.
Wait. Don't hit, don't hit.
Heal,
Let's
heal,
go,
heal.
let's go. Navy party, go to me so I could so we can trade
Choking.
I got you.
No, not here.
Wrong. Party 1, party 2, bro.
Sige.
yung party.
Tingnan mo lang kung sino.
Incoming swords.
Okay, relax, guys, relax.
Relax. Oh,
Okay,
Bomb.
don't hit.
Wag. Ang bata ako, pre.
Ooh.
Incoming swords.
Wrong, big healing. Oh, shit.
Okay, mana.
Choke na yun ulit, ah. Check nyo lang.
Get back.
Pop sabi
Okay,
party 1 kung party 2 ah.
Sige.
All the parties. Lagi.
All the parties. Putang ina.
That's
Okay.
probably
Choking.
the.
Sa akin, party 1.
Party 1.
You won.
Dikit lang.
Chowking.
Oo. Poison.
The best. I just throwed mine. What the fuck?
Incoming swords.
I just threw mine.
Yun lang. That's sayang.
Nag-
Sorry.
Don't
Don't
hit.
hit. Big hill. Big hill. Oh,
Big
shit.
hill, boy.
Big hill.
Incoming swords.
Right.
What up?
I'm down.
What'd you send down?
Man down.
Okay, ano si
Incoming
Odin?
swords.
Revive. I need
4,
helmet.
3.
Nice.
2.
Okay na.
Okay na?
KDs,
Okay.
fail si Dins.
Oo.
Wait, you guys need me there?
I'm saving my E still. Tell me when to pop it.
Nice. Nice one.
Mga galing to, ah.
Galing na si Odisang.
Ganda na pang plak.
Ano, ayan, masaya ka na. Parang
Pop incoming swords.
Floating.
Here, cool down. Sa akin.
Hindi. Almost.
Don't
though.
hit.
Got 5 stacks.
Ina ba? O, dodge.
Hmm.
Eh, okay
May
lang.
happy na yan. Ang puta.
Iguman na ako eh.
Oh.
Ay, shit. Knockdown. It's
Thank you,
fine.
thank you.
Damn, there's too many swords. Fucking shit.
Oo nga. O, ayan. Nag-healing.
Balik sa pwesto.
Check the stocks.
Party 2!
Party 2.
I don't wanna
42.
die. Thank you.
Incoming
Oh
sword.
my
Incoming
God.
sword.
Wait, too late.
That's fine. Better luck next time.
Don't hit.
Everyone. Dito ka na, Odisang. Balik na tayo.
Ba't umunti yung kabila? Dito na ako.
Ganito naman talaga kami.
Nandito talaga
It's not doing the HP thing anymore.
Doon ka,
Yeah,
bro. Yung royal nila, kailangan ng royal.
Incoming
Royal.
sword.
Royal.
Wala, oh.
Jacket.
Meron.
Oh.
Suntukin kita.
Drappy, poison.
Up.
Gago ka.
Don't hit.
Stay with me, don't hit. Oh shit.
Okay,
Big
go.
hill.
Choking sa akin, choking.
Choking
out, bro. Sorry.
Choking on, bro.
Napindot.
Shit, I can't kill him anymore. Shit.
Revive. Nice one.
Up.
Ano?
Incoming swords on Natsu.
Okay, 10k. Ay, 100k.
Nakalimutan ko mag-F1 eh.
Okay, don't hit.
Don't hit. Okay, proceed.
Dodge.
Missed me, bitch.
Wala nang poison.
Shit. Right.
Yeah, I'm out of poison as well.
Check your stocks. Check your stocks.
Ano yung mana?
The-
Oy. Tang ina, malapit na yan.
Okay,
5
choking.
seconds on my rope.
Okay.
Choking.
Choking.
Someone heal
Joking.
Grim.
Nice. Kill mo daw si Grim. Wala to si, ano.
Okay, Dodge.
Dodge.
Big heal on me.
Okay,
Big heal
lapit
on
na.
me. Grim, you can heal on me.
Okay.
Wala na.
Don't-
Tapos
don't
tuloy.
hit.
Don't hit,
I
don't
got
hit,
healing
don't hit.
sickness already. That's why I don't heal much. Damn. Ah, fuck.
I'm only healing one person, so you probably won't get that much. Patay si Oji-san.
I'm
Better.
down, guys.
Patay si
Is it knock?
Oji-san. Uy,
Uy,
patay.
balik kayo dun. Choking. Kay
Joking on
Navi.
me. Ah, Jason dead. Oh my god, healer died. Can you
Pa-revive nga. Pa-revive nga, ano?
me?
Back up.
Ang stress
42
mo na, Queen.
needs,
Revive mo si
42
Nick.
needs healer.
Revive.
Don't it.
Pa-revive nga,
Don't
ano?
it.
Queen. Pa-revive si Navi.
Queen, nato. Nate.
Sa kabila.
Queen,
42 needs heal.
Oh, CD daw si Queen.
Joking party
Dikit,
1.
dikit, dikit,
Joking.
Dikit. We are
Okay, 30k.
Ay,
Can you heal on me?
Do I still save my
Check
E?
your slot.
Okay.
Do I still save my
Mana?
E or can I just go hit it? Oh shit.
Don't
I'm
hit,
gonna
don't hit. We got this, 45k HP left.
this.
I need help, boy.
Dodge.
Shit, the healing sickness is sucky.
Huwag ka na mag-heal dito, Navi. Kaya mo si ano.
Dropping
Queen.
in 3, 2, 1. Boys.
Choking.
Can I use my E now?
Okay, okay, party 2.
41. Ay, 42 pala.
42. Wala ka to, nis mo pa eh.
Just say
Sorry.
my name. Just say my name.
Say my name.
Oh, you want?
Oh
you
shit,
want-
incoming.
Warak. Hi, guys. Hey.
Okay, don't hit.
Oh, hit.
Need heal.
Kill mo, Queen. Go.
Okay, Dodge.
Ah,
Dodge.
Touch the sword. Okay, good.
Okay. Ano na, tapos na to.
Huwag kayo komportable dyan. Tangina nyo.
16k health.
Mana?
Okay, don't hit. Oh, fuck.
Fuck.
Oh, sup. You're not gonna die with me. I will not let you die, brother.
Choking.
Oh,
Choking, Queen. Bunny.
Baya mo na. Pa-revive na lang, Queen.
Oh,
Okay,
save
baby.
me. Save me. Nice.
Let's go.
Nice
one.
save.
Oh, dodge. Swords.
Don't hit.
Uy, don't hit daw.
Tapos na.
Tapos na to.
Oh.
Putang
Finally.
inang yan.
Tapos na.
Ah,
We go sabaw. We are sabaw.
Pala mini boss pa lang yun, no?
Bakit?